Hey everybody, for our next unit in PE, we're going to be throwing and catching, and I know maybe not everyone has a basketball or football or some kind of ball at home. So today I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt or a long sleeve t-shirt or a sweatshirt or something into a ball. So just grab them by the sleeves. I just like to twist it up as much as you can, and then you tie it in a knot. Over, under, in, and out. And then I like to do it one more time. Over, under, in, and out. And it forms a nice kind of ball shape with a little bit of a tail. All right? So we can use this for all of our activities in this unit. Thank you.
3, 2, 1.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt ball for our throwing and catching unit. We know maybe not everyone has access to basketballs, footballs, different kinds of throwing objects, so we thought we'd show you how to create one. So all you need is either a t-shirt, long sleeve shirt, anything you got. I like to grab the sleeves and then twist it up, okay? And then I take the sleeves together and tie them into a knot. So over, under, in and out, pull them through. And then I like to do one more knot. We'll do it one more time, pull it through. So then you have the ball shape with a little bit of a tail, and it's good for underhand throwing or overhand throwing.